Welcome. So in this session I will teach you that how you can create setup sheet and how you can generate the Z code and M code. So simply I have already created some toolpaths, so I will show you that how you can create the setup sheet. So simply you have to click on the toolpath group and right click of the mouse, and here you will get the setup sheet option. Click on that. So simply we have to fill project name, customer name, programmer name, drawing number. So all the things you can fill here, and here you have to double click. Here you will get the setup sheet options. So there is multiple option, but we will use setup sheet for lathe, and then say OK. So Mastercam will generate automatically setup sheets. Okay, all right. So you can see this is the setup sheet report. Here you will get all the things like project name, customer name, programmer name, drawing number, date, time, and all the things. Here you will get the file location in your computer. Here you will get the photo of that job, and you will easily understand that how and where is the XY origin. And here you can type the comments and all as per requirement, and you will get the stock setup, means what is the stock size, all the things you will get here. So you can see here it is showing that chuck is left, yes, and grip length, height, what is the height of chuck, what is the width of chuck. So you will get all the things here. And what is the stock diameter is 270, length is 259. So all the things you will get here, and you will get all the tool and tool paths parameter. So cycle time is 52 minutes something. So it is showing here cycle time, spindle speed, fast speed, slow speed, stock to live in X and Y, Z, and retraction value, tool info. So this is the stock and how your tool will work. This is for facing, this is the holder, this is the insert. Easily you can understand that X corner is the X is the diameter will be the X offset, and front face will be the Z offset. Insert is VNMG 1604.8. What is the holder diameter? MWL 25 by 25. And so all the things you will get in this setup sheet. So easily you can give this setup sheet to your operator. So easily he can prepare all the things, and easily you can use that. You don't need to tell them all the things manually, so it will be automatic. Okay, also you can save this setup sheet into a PDF file. So you will get all the options here. You can save that as a PDF file. Okay, so I will close it. Next thing I will teach you that is how you can generate Z code with different controllers, right? So simply you have to go to the file tab and go to the replace tab, right? So here you can see there is multiple controllers available, right? So if you have to generate Z code for Haas machine, Haas CNC lathe, so you can select that here, Haas 2 axis lathe, Haas 4 axis lathe. And if you have to export it in normal FANUC control, so you can use lathe default, lathe C and Y axis. Also you can generate code for VTL vertical turret lathe. So all the things, all the post processor are available here, so you can use that as per your requirement. So if I will show you that how we can generate with Haas 2 axis lathe Okay, so it will load that post processor. Let's wait and then say OK. So you can see now it will show you that that Haas 2 axis lathe So you can see I have changed the post processor, so all the tool paths gone bad, so we will regenerate it. Here I will select regenerate all the tool paths, so it will regenerate that tool path, and then we will post it. So the tool path regeneration is going on. So now it's completed. So what I will do, I will post this one tool path or this one tool. I will post normal facing tool path. Okay, so I will click on this G1, and here I will say ask and edit What extension you need, you can change it here. Normally we use .nc extension for FONOC and host controller. I will select here OK. We don't have to post all the operation, right? Now it is showing not all operation for no, and then I will say desktop and then say save. Whatever name you need, you can give it here, 001 or whatever you need. You can click on this, you can type that and then say save. So it will generate that Z code and it will open that in Code Expert. This is the Mastercam inbuilt application for Z code and M code. So you will get the NC code. As you can see, this is the facing toolpath Z code, right? So you will get all the information like which program number you have given, what is the date and time, what is the MCAM file location, what is the NC file name, what is the material you have used. These all are the Z code. Your machine will run in MM mode, tool and offset, OD rough, 80 degree insert, VNMG 1604.8, T1. So these all are the parameters which we are using normally manually, but if you use Mastercam, then you can create it very easily, very fast and more accurate. Okay. And one more thing I will show you, that is lathe tool manager, right? So if you have to create your own library, so you can create that own library, you can create your own template. So easily you can use that tools during programming time. So that will be very easy. So when if you will create your own tool, so during programming time you can select that and you will get all the feed and speed automatically. So you don't have to fill all the things every time, right? So you can save the time by using Mastercam lathe tool manager. And also you can create a custom tool. Here is option, create 3D tool, create tool. So you can define, you can create the tools as per your requirement in lathe toolpath. So there is multiple options available. Okay, so these are all the things which we have done in the last session. Thank you so much.